Hello YouTube, how diet affects the occurrence of headaches and migraines. Experts believe that 20% of all headaches, including migraines, are associated with the use of certain food components. This is especially true for people who are sensitive to such components. So when you get a headache that's hard to explain, pay attention to the foods you eat because they may contain ingredients you're sensitive to. Red wine, on the one hand, has phenolic compounds that have a calming effect, have many positive effects. Resveratrol is an antioxidant with anti-cancer properties, but on the other hand, it can cause paroxysmal headache. The reason is biogenic amines. The best known of these is histamine. It is found in cheese, yeast and yeast products, fish, pickled herring, beer, wine, chocolate, etc. Therefore, if you eat cheese for wine, for example, Roquefort or feta, and even a piece of chocolate or a dessert poured with chocolate, you can expect a headache. Sulfites, added to foods to stop microbial growth, may be found in wine, beer, dried fruit, marmalade, pizza, chips, jam, seafood, processed meats. This component is capable of accumulating in the body with frequent consumption of these products. Aspartame. This substance is found in the composition of sweet soda, forfeits, Coca-Cola and other drinks, chewing gum, as well as quick breakfasts. Headaches can be triggered by the use of caffeine, which increases blood pressure in the blood vessels and can cause a severe headache. Coffee, strong tea, energy drinks contain a lot of caffeine. Also, an important role in the occurrence of headaches has an insufficient amount of liquid in the diet and an excessive salt intake. There is also an individual sensitivity of a person to the components of some products. For example, vinegar, nuts, lemons, tomatoes, etc. The use of these products provoke the occurrence of headaches. If you are often worried about a headache, the cause of which has not been established by examinations, try to find provocateurs of this condition on a plate. To do this, start a food diary in which you record what you ate when a headache appears. This way you can find and eliminate foods that you are sensitive to. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.